one thing I wanted to address here real quick, and Michelle does this, she says that she's got crabgrass. Now, you very well may have crabgrass. You very well may have signal grass. But I also think that folks that come from up north, I've heard this a lot over the years. You guys realize I've been working with homeowners here. Not only, I say dealing with, when I was at TruGreen, I was dealing with homeowners. Now I'm working with homeowners. Very important distinction. But during that time, I've learned how folks think and how they talk. And a lot of times folks up north, crabgrass is a generic term for anything that you don't want in your lawn that's not a broadleaf weed. So they will just see any kind of problem grass or something they can't identify. Like they can identify clover and dandelion probably, and maybe you can identify creeping Charlie or ground ivy, and that's about all you can identify, and violet maybe. So anything else you see that you don't know what it is, you call it crabgrass. It's a generic term. So a lot of folks that come from up north and come down here, when I talk to them and we're working together, they will say, my lawn is riddled with crabgrass. Well, it's not necessarily crabgrass. It's just some sort of something that they don't want there that looks like a grass, but they don't know what it is. And in a lot of cases, it might be tropical signal grass. So this is the next tip here, Michelle and others and everybody else, and I'm going to talk about this a lot more this year. It's one of the things I really want every one of you to take advantage of, and that is your local county extension service. So a local county extension is literally an extension of your local university, and what they do is they have offices located in Florida here. It's in every county, I believe. There might be multiple offices in each county, and Michelle, I found yours. Let me find the link here, and I'll tell you where yours is. But with that, you can go there, and the county extension will have open office hours where you can take samples of your weeds, take roots and all, and they'll help you identify them. And as well as they will help you understand what you might do to either kill those weeds or prevent them or whatever else. They'll give you that advice. That's what they're there for. A lot of them also will take email. You can email in. I'm looking here at so our county extensions, our extension offices here in Florida are all operated through the University of Florida. And let's see, looks like there is one in Tavares, Florida, at 1951 Woodlea Road in Tavares, Florida. That would be probably one for you, Michelle, but you can just Google search, no matter where you guys live, Google search County Extension Office near me, and you'll be able to pull that up. Some of them, again, they'll allow you to email in pictures. A lot of them have blogs also. Like, they know what weeds are in your lawns right now. The University of Florida will put out blog posts. Hey, this is what's going on right now in Florida lawns. This is what you look for. So get in touch with your local county extension service. And I want you to do that, Michelle, to identify what is that crabgrass or what it is that you're calling crabgrass, because the way you go after it will definitely be different if it's signal grass versus crabgrass. So go and check that out. Go get all those weeds properly identified. And then whatever you do from there, whatever the atrazine doesn't wipe out, that's when you can make a different strategy. And I can't give you that because I don't know what weeds we're talking about specifically, but definitely maybe a different pre-emergent that you'll need to use if it's something like that. Maybe it's nutsedge, for example, that you're dealing with. I have a lot of nutsedge right now, or kalinga. You can talk about pre-emergent and post-emergent strategies there, but you won't know until you get those weeds identified. So that's another step that I would ask you to take.